What is up guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's vlog we are going to be attempting to make Tres Leches. So I have never baked a cake before. Sarita, have you ever baked a cake before? No.
I have.
You have? Alright, so we have some expertise in the house. Shahan's mom was all like, don't you always talk about this Tres Leches? Here, I have all the stuff, why don't you make it? So she just chucked us into the deep end, like Shahan says, the deep end being the kitchen. So we are here. We're gonna run you guys through the recipe we're following as well, and let's see how successful or not successful this is going to be. Modern day cooking, you know, you just follow a recipe on YouTube, nothing too fancy. Alright guys, so the first step the recipe calls for is to get your 9 by 13 inch, I'm guessing it's inches, pan and to butter it, but we are not buttering it by using parchment paper because that is what Auntie Sonali recommended. And now we're going to preheat the oven. Also no idea how to use this oven, but we'll figure it out. Auntie Sonali! Alright, number one, we're whisking together all-purpose flour. 1 cup of flour. Alright, next up we need half a teaspoon of, we can use this. Alright guys, so far we're doing okay, except for the wind.
And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Then you take one of the Auntie Sonali's gadgets. Mix all the ingredients together. Okay, next up we're going to put all of this in here. I'm gonna do white in this and yellow in this, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my god! There's a bit of like yellow in it.
Just put the yolk in this?
Alright. Yes. Yes. Oh no! Well done, Sarita. Next thing is me. I'm going to make my ancestors proud. She comes from a baking family. How do I
Just drop it into that other thing on the right. It will just keep going back and forth with it.
Yeah, I was scared. Oh yeah, that's only yellow. Alright, and it's Perfection by Chanel. Done. The recipe says to mix the egg yolk and the sugar until it's pale yellow and makes a thick ribbony texture.
Tbsp. The B in it is tablespoon.
Yeah. We're going in with 1 teaspoon of... Wait, come back!
Into this?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, vanilla essence, vanilla flavor. Whatever you can get your hands on during these difficult times of quarantine. No judgment. Kaz, are you finally taking up your brother to play cricket? 1/3 cup of milk in there. I'm preparing to mix up the egg whites, which is the key ingredient in making the cakes fluffy. Okay, so we know the oven is preheating because it's getting super hot in here. So now we're going to mix the egg yolk, the dry ingredients, and the egg whites, and we're going to use this bowl because this is the largest one. So it's just going to I mean, I hope you guys are enjoying watching two total kitchen noobs trying to make Tres Leches. Well, not everything in life. some things just won't mix, like oil and water. But some things like flour and wet ingredients will mix. Keep going at it with faith. And that is a life lesson we are learning on this cooking vlog. Thanks for joining us. I hope that...
That's what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah, I hope. God, there are going to be so many people who actually know how to bake watching this and being like, these guys are... Maybe this will go viral for being so bad, Sarita. Are you ready to be famous?
No.
It will be so sad if this comes out badly. Whoop!
Oh my god.
It's gonna splash. Ah! Okay, now this is the hard part because we gotta make sure to fold it in. And we gotta be careful to apparently not deflate the eggs. I have no idea how to do this. I've never done this before. God, guys, please don't laugh at me. I honestly don't know if this is the right thing to do. Yeah, I think we've got a good texture now.
Wait, what is it? From how?
From how? From how?
The chocolate sauce and the milk. Unbearable milk.
I'm just a dead man walking tonight.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin'. Free my ladies in the counter now. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the po-po, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it. I got the backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl. I've been ballin'. Free my ladies in the counter now. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right.
I'm talking.
Got the backlash written on me.
Okay. Let's close it. Okay, Sarita, we have 30 minutes to do yoga.
Okay, let's prep.
I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the po-po, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it. Yeah, come and get it.
Alright guys, here it is. I had to prick it in the center with a butter knife because I felt like it was burning, but it felt really nice and soft. And it's done. So now we're gonna start prepping the milk to go on top of this. Let this cool for a little while we do that. Okay guys, so now we're gonna make the cake syrup.
12 ounces of evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk, whatever that is. Oh my god.
We need a little bit more. Is there another keg?
I'll have to ask auntie. So we're a little short of evaporated milk. We're gonna replace that with 1.5 ounces of condensed milk and 1.5 of whole milk.
Oh my god, what the heck?
How much is it? 6.
Whatever.
It's less, no, auntie. Do you have another small one?
Never mind, now open that and you put the balance in it.
That way, yeah. 8, 9, and I'm gonna put a little bit extra.
I just...
Flip it over.
Then it's upside down.
No, wait, like this. That's the way really a cake is. Any cake or anything you turn it, put it.
Okay, we got tips from the pro. And we turned it upside down.
See, and your mark isn't there.
Smells good. Now we are going to poke it. So this is where you take out any anger that you might have. Controlled anger. Anger with a cause. Chaos with a strategy. Here we go. Now we're gonna mix our milk and get ready to pour it. Ready?
Now I'm headed out there anyhow. Set it up like I'm headed out for the big amount. Shoot it up like I'm heading out for the pictures now. How many people could do it the way I did it now? I really mean it, I feel like the only one around. Whoa, while I'm at it, I ain't kidding, I won't have it. Try and wait for me to slip, I ain't no Bambi. I'll be center in a rink, I'm Joey Sackage. And when you see me, I just came out with the hat trick. Oh God, don't be stressing with the magic.
This is actually like, you know, if you tried a few things and you know your way around the kitchen a little bit, this is an okay recipe. Like, I think the hardest part about this recipe was separating the eggs. Other than that, if you follow instructions, it's pretty easy, I would say. Alright guys, so now our cake is soaking, and now we are going to be making the whipped cream. Have a look into the bowl. Look, Simba. Damn, we're gonna get that. Yeah, this is like a very rich dessert. Is like full of milk and sugar and... You wanna wait? Yeah. I think Chanel and Sarita are making a great name for themselves in the cooking front. So many more collabs, yeah.
All them buttons, they been helping me imagine how I tell them that the man has got the backlash written on me. Caught rubbing on a glass bowl, I've been ballin'. Free my ladies in the counter now, I'm already out. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me. Cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going.
Or we can just do lines like this way.
Whoa, while I'm at it, I ain't kidding, I won't have it. Try and wait for me to slip, I ain't no Bambi. I'll be centering a rink on Joey Sackett. When you see me, I just came out with the hat trick. Oh, man, don't be stressing with the magic. Acting out cause you ain't never seen no rabbits. All them boys, they be helping me.
You can take it with the spoon itself.
Yeah, if there is a spoon, it's very soft. What is the layer?
That's it. Nothing fancy.
I got her.
He made with Chanel. Who made Chanel? After that you can.
How many hours?
The next row you'll be able to get it properly.
Lovely.
No, that's it, Andy. There's nothing much
No,
to it.
this way you can get the
Picture, yeah.
You wanted some kalua, no?
No.
Hey, some coffee you said?
No, I said this will go nicely with some black coffee because
Shall
you
we
like
put some?
Now, how do you
It's a bit of a rich dessert. Yeah. How much?
10 out of 10.
Yes. Good job. Yes.
Quarantine.
Quarantine. We're having.
now see whether you like to take
For a
this?
bit.
Oh, that's a lovely one.
Enjoy.
I like to know from where the flavor is coming.
Backlash written on me. Caught rubbing on a glass bowl, I've been ballin'. Free my ladies in the counter now, I'm already out. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me. Cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it. I got the backlash written on me. Caught rubbing on a glass bowl, I've been ballin'. Free my ladies in the counter now, I'm already out. Already on the countdown, I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me. Cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it. Yeah, come and get it, clock it ticking for my riches now. Yeah boy, counting commas in my kitchen now. Yeah right, Colorado ain't my region now. But now I'm headed out there anyhow. Set it out like I'm headed out for the big amount. Shoot it out like I'm heading out for the pictures now. How many people could do it the way I did it now? I really mean it, I feel like they only want